Just switch off your light inside your room. Are you able to see anything? Well, no, right? Wait, what happened? Suddenly, why are you not able to see anything? Switch on the bulb again. The bulb inside your room is acting as a light source. And the reason you are able to see every object inside your house is because of reflection. Reflection is a very common phenomenon in our everyday life, like we see our image in mirror or reflection of objects in water. When a light ray hits a surface and bounces back, it is called reflection of light. Just like inside your room, light ray from bulb strikes the table and bounces back and reaches your eyes. Hence, you are able to see the table. Reflection is of two types, specular or regular reflection and diffuse reflection. In your books, you are mostly familiar with specular reflection. Specular or regular reflection happens on smooth or shiny surface like mirror. Energy loss is almost negligible in this case. The entire light ray is reflected back. In the figure, a light ray travels and hits the surface and bounces back. OA is called incident ray and OB is called reflected ray. Imaginary line perpendicular to the surface passing through O is called normal. Angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence, represented by I, and angle between normal and reflected ray is called angle of reflection, represented by R. One of the example of specular reflection is when you see your image in a mirror. Light ray from bulb hit your body and then reflected to the mirror and then again reflected back to your eyes, so you can see your image in the mirror. Laws of reflection. First law states that the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the surface at the point of incidence lie in the same plane. Second law states that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Another type of reflection is diffuse reflection. When a light ray strikes a rough surface, it bounces back in many directions due to multiple reflections by the microscopic irregularities. Every reflection we see are mostly diffused reflections because most objects we see have rough surface. One example is the case of table we have discussed earlier. There the table is a rough surface. This is all about reflection of light.